mag-vlog ngayon?
Hey, I'm the vlogger now, so I don't know what to say. This is a new job for me.
Malapit na pala kami sa ano guys sa cemetery guys. Look guys, cemetery. Hi guys! Hi guys, how beautiful sunset there. But, and guys, nakakatakot, babalyat ako mag-ano papi no?
Arrested.
Babalyat ako, parang bawal kasi dito mag-ano guys, mag-video ng, ano kasi, sa left side, base, military base, bawal mag-video kaya yun, dito lang yung camera ko, ganyan. Ayan, nandito kami ngayon, naglalakad guys, lakad with my papi, my puppy here. Hi guys, say hi papi.
Hi.
Hey,
my tooth feels better. Doesn't hurt.
Yeah. You are my I turn over you, you know, you are the vlogger now.
I'm the vlogger?
Yeah. You know, what do you want? And guys,
Hey.
siya mag-vlog ngayon.
Hey, I'm the vlogger now, so I don't know what to say. This is a new job for me. A new job description. Well, welcome to Fairborn. This is we're right outside the base, and it's quiet.
It's quiet.
Man, Americans are quiet. My gosh. Oh, you could hear just the Filipino people making noises here.
Oh my God, mother. My voice so loud. Ang lakas ng tawa ko guys. Ayan.
Yeah, that's what we have. So,
No people here outside, right?
huh?
No people here outside.
I know, so quiet.
No gossiping. No gossip.
Hey, there was a little fight next door earlier today. Oh, look at the sky, look.
Oh, that's beautiful.
Look at the house, perfect. Look how perfect line. Straight up. Wow. Well, that's for it now, guys. See you later.
Ayan, wala na siyang topic guys. Ayan. Ayan, nandito kami ngayon guys. Naglakad kami dito sa, ayan. Dito kami sa labas. Nalakad. Ayan. Parang dito sa US guys, dito sa US parang wala dito ng mga tsismosa kasi mga tao dito hindi lumalabas, nandun lang sila sa loob kasi malamig. Ayan. Pag ngayon sa Pilipinas, nako, ang daming tao sa labas ngayon. Nagtsismisan, ganun. Dito sa US wala. Ayun, tingnan nyo guys. Ayan. For example, yan na bahay. Ayan, wala guys. Walang tao. Walang tahimik dito, grabe. Ayan. We go Papa there, son. This area. I think that area they have a dog. Ayan. Katapos lang namin kumain guys. Ayan. Tapos lumabas kami kasi maganda yung sunset ngayon. Ayan. Hindi na ako nagbehes. Naglagay lang ako ng jacket. Kasi ngayon malamig guys. Malamig siya. Wala namang snow. Malamig lang talaga yung weather. Ayan. Tapos nakapag-pajama pa ako. Look. Or pajama. So, ayun. Yan nga. Ayan yung kasama ko. It's quiet.
Quiet like a baby.
Quiet like a baby.
Look,
What?
step on those things and jump and walk and walk.
This one?
That's a challenge. You do that?
No, I'm scared.
Oh.
What the heck?
It's strong. That's why you can go like that. Jump. You know, I can see a lot of those kids, you know, that the crazy thing. Jump, jump.
Ayan guys. Malapit pala yung cemetery dito. Yan.
Why you want to go to the dog? I told you.
Alam mo yung aso.
Okay. And we
Guys,
haven't
may
to the fence.
aso. Yung mga bahay dito guys, ano, parang walang tao. Yung mga bahay dito ang tahimik.
He's right behind you. Bite you.
What the heck? Ayan guys. Ano? Okay lang kami.
That's an ugly bark dog. You need to learn how to bark. You sound gay. I can bug you that.
We're gonna be work class in the cemetery.
Are you barking or are you crying?
Ayan guys. Malapit na pala kami sa ano guys. Sa cemetery guys. Look guys,
Guys, welcome to the
cemetery.
cemetery.
Welcome to the paradise.
People die to come here. What a minute.
Ayan. Ayan yung mga ano dito, mga bahay. Ayan. Tapos kaloka guys yung bahay dito malapit lang sa cemetery. Ayun oh. Ayan, sabi nila guys, maganda daw. Maganda daw pag pumunta ka sa cemetery, parang nakaka-relax. Parang yung kasama ko kasi yan ang sabi sa akin. Hey, you tell me it's good to go, visit in the cemetery?
Yeah, because we need to remember that we worry in this life about, worry about the future, problems, and you know what?
What?
You'll end up right there. You see the people?
Yeah,
All the worries were for nothing. They're dead,
I know.
and their life, working like animals or, they do bad things, and look, they end up here. So why, we have to enjoy the life because we are alive.
I know. That's why, guys, sinabihan ko sa kanya. That's why I told you. What we have now, we need to enjoy, We need to enjoy our life. Not like stress, drama. So you need to enjoy. Because if you're not enjoy, boom! You end up there. Okay, come on.
You're drunk.
Ayan, guys.
This girl is
Ito
drunk with
yung...
salmon and
Ito yung
green
entrance,
beans.
guys. Ayan, yun ang entrance sa cemetery. Ayan. Ngayon, pauwi na po kami. Ayan.
That's a big pickup truck.
Ayan. Oh, yeah.
That's a little monster. This is
Ito yan, guys. Look, guys. Oh. Maganda na. Pickup truck. Look at the porch, right?
Oh, that's a Ford.
There's a Ford.
Yeah, Ford is not good.
Ayun. Soon, magkakaroon kami ng ganyan.
Go wheeling.
Gadwiling. Soon.
I say go wheeling.
Gadwiling. I don't know. Ambot na unsa ba niya? Gaatay na ni. Papi, I teach you a waray.
No, I want Tagalog.
Anong
So
Tagalog?
Tagalog is gonna give me the future, no? The flip
Oh,
from
okay.
waray.
So, I teach you a Tagalog.
Tell me Tagalog.
Okay. Wala.
Wala, you guys like her hat? You get it, no, kayo-kay. For 99 cents. Hey, those hats are like $30 in the mall.
Nagalaki na ko, ano. Grabe naman ako tama dito. Kami lang dito guys sa kusada. Ayan guys, itong hat na ko guys. Ayan, nakikita ko lang yan dun sa
Snapback.
Ayan.
Go snapback.
You want to learn Tagalog?
Yes.
Okay.
Oo.
Oo. Opo.
Opo. Opo.
Opo.
Opo.
Ay, nako. I can teach you later on na now because, man, it's so cold.
Here.
No, it's okay.
I forgot to bring the gloves. Okay, here. You can have one.
No, it's okay because I put here in my pocket.
Yeah, but you got that one over there sticking up. Yeah, give you one. And
So, yun lang guys.
they go there so you can enjoy the little
What?
sunset left.
Oh yeah. Look guys, ito yan pala yung sunset.
We'll
Parang,
put it here because further away.
ayan, look guys. Diba? Look, yan guys, diba? Maganda yung sunset, no? Look, that sunset. Ayan, daling kami kanina dyan guys. Ayan.
When it's not cold, it's much better, you know.
Yeah.
We had like nice clothes.
Yesterday, it's not super cold.
Yeah.
No,
you
it's
know,
cold.
The weather, beautiful sunset and nice hot
Yeah.
weather. Oh my gosh. And then with a little cup of coffee in the side with ice shaking oat cappuccino. Oh, that's it.
Ayan. Guys, kanina galing kami dyan kasi yung bahay namin nandun sa left or right side. Sa right side yung bahay namin. Ayan, tapos ayun yung base dyan. Tapos yung bahay namin pa doon. So, ngayon, pauwi na po kami guys. Ayan. O nga pala guys, Ayan, parang malaki yung YouTube ko. Nag-promote. Ayan. Guys, meron akong kapitbahay namin. Ayan, baka naman. Baka naman guys, pa-support naman kay, ano ba yung channel niya? Horay Mukbang. Basta guys, ilagay ko yung link niya sa baba. Pa-support naman guys, pa-support. Yan, parang malaki yung channel natin Ayan. Ayan, kahit maliit lang yung channel natin, support pa rin natin yung mga kaibigan natin. Ganun. So, yun lang guys. Thank you. And then, i-end ko na to. Yung kasama ko, tayo siya kasi ang ingay ko guys. So, ayan guys, i-enjoy muna namin to yung namin, moment. Ayun. Nandyan yung sunset. Ayan. Babay na po kami guys. So guys, don't forget to like and subscribe.
You wanna watch her laughing all day? Then subscribe.
Subscribe. But guys, thank you for watching.